What's up, everybody? It's Mrjeffsmith back again, and if you are passionate about getting your family outdoors and active together, then you are in the right spot, because that's what my channel is all about. And today we're going to jump into Fun Size Advice, which is my question and answer show where I take a question that you guys asked and try to answer it to the best of my ability to help you get your families outdoors and active. So today's question comes from the Rainiers family. It's a family that lives down, I think, on Long Island, and they're always up to doing something fun, and they're also really good at video editing. If you want to check out their channel, there'll be a link on the end card at the end of this video. Alright, so the Rainiers family asks, for parents, how do you keep motivated to spend time with your kids outdoors? Now, this is a different kind of question than I normally answer, and I guess the best way to answer it would be for me to tell you what motivates me. And what motivates me is that when I was a kid, my dad was a UPS driver. He left the house right about when we got up in the morning, and then he didn't get back till usually right after we ate dinner. He was gone most of the day. But sometimes in the evenings, and definitely on the weekends, he would always take the time to go outside and do cool stuff with us. Whether it was going exploring around on like the fringes of our neighborhood, or take us to playgrounds, or take us on hikes, he always took the time. And my mom too. My mom definitely, even during the week, she took the time to make sure that we always got outside and did fun stuff. And so I am trying my best to pass that along to my kids, because the way I look at it and what helps motivate me is not only am I giving my kids a great childhood and helping them to spark that spirit of exploration in their minds, but the more they learn about it and the more I capture their attention with this concept, I know that the same thing that happened to me will happen to them, and they'll want to pass it on to their kids. So when I think of it that way, it's not just my own kids that are benefiting from taking them on these adventures. It's my grandkids, it's my great-grandkids, and hopefully this love of nature, this love of the outdoors just keeps getting passed down from generation to generation. And when you look at it that way, it just changes your whole perspective. You're not talking about just a few kids anymore, just your immediate children. You're talking about generations and dozens of kids and families that are going to be impacted by the things that you do when you're raising your own kids. So that's how I stay motivated, by looking at the big picture and just really trying to pass down what's important to me to future generations. Well, alright, Rainiers family, I hope that answered your question, and thank you guys especially for always watching. You guys are always there watching and commenting, and I really appreciate it. And remember, anybody out there who has a question they want to hear me answer, be sure to leave it down in the comments. And check out our main show, Fun Size Adventures, which comes out every Wednesday at 8 a.m. and is all about trying to put these things into practice. And it's more of a family vlog where I take my family out and we try to go on adventures or have fun outdoors and just try to get active as a family together. See you next time.